Here's a simple truth. If AI can't read your website properly, it can't recommend your shop confidently. The importance of structured data and schema markup in AI-powered local search. Structured data helps AI systems understand a website's content clearly, especially business essentials like services, hours, and phone numbers. For auto repair shops, this can improve how the business appears in search results and support richer, more interactive search experiences. We recommend regular audits to maintain compliance and optimize visibility over time. This is a crucial point. AI-driven search rewards businesses that provide accurate, machine-readable information. If your content is unclear or inconsistently structured, AI may struggle to connect your shop with the right searches. Schema isn't just technical cleanup. It's a visibility strategy in the new local search landscape.